Hello and a very good morning everyone. Hi if you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. Okay, jom kita mula. So this video will be interesting for me because this is the first time I'll try to fit in the whole entire chapter in just one video. So I'm just going to explain briefly. Maybe this video is better for those who are doing revision or those who wants to find out the whole chapter, how this chapter goes. Okay, tapi boleh je this chapter kalau you nak learn this video, boleh je kalau nak learn the whole chapter. It's just that make sure you guys do your own exercises. Alright, so jom kita mula with the first part of the chapter. So in this part of the chapter, you need to know how to determine the order for each matrix, matrix, I'm not sure. Dalam bahasa Melayu matrix lah kan. Okay, so kena sebut row dulu, barulah sebut column. Apakah itu row, apakah itu column, right? So this is your row and then column. So kalau nak tahu nombor 2 ni row ke berapa, column ke berapa, kena tengok. Okay, ni row pertama, 1, 2. Ni column pertama, kedua. So ni row pertama, column pertama. Okay, tapi dia orang tanya the order. Order maksudnya apa? Dia ada berapa row, berapa column. So yang ni ada 2 row, ada 2 column. So it's 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3 row, 1 column. So it's 3 times 1, 2, 3 row, 1, 2, 3 column. So it's 3 times 3. That's it. Moving on. So capital letter wakil the whole entire matrix. Tapi small letter wakils the element. Whole entire matrix, you're going to put a capital B. But if you want to represent number 11, katakan, so apa ni row pertama tapi column pertama kedua. Tengok. So 11 ni row pertama, column kedua. So nanti 11 is B 1, 2. 1 daripada mana? Sebut row dulu, barulah sebut column. Okay, next. So determine the order of the matrix, the element at the second row and the third column. Okay, first let's determine the order of the matrix. 1, 2 row, 1, 2, 3 column. So it's 2 times 3. Alright, so now let's find out the element at the second row and third column. What's the second row? Row pertama, row kedua. Third column, 1, 2, 3. Here. So jawapannya 5. Okay, element at the first row and second column. First row, second column. Nombor 4. Okay, betul. You guys can screenshot this and try to do it on your own without looking at the answers that are provided over here. Okay, get ready to screenshot in 3, 2, 1. Next, state the elements of the following matrix or matrix in bahasa Melayu. So the order. Determine the elements in B12 and B13. So B12 is actually not pronounced B12. My cikgu pronounces it as B12. So referring to the first row and the second column. Tengok, the first row and 1, 2, second column. So nombor 9. So you just write, don't write B besar tau, because we're going to B besar is to wakil the whole entire matrix. Bila kita nak wakil the element, you're gonna write small b's. Okay, so B12 equals to 9. Macam ni lah apa yang ada dalam soalan. See, small b, small letter b. Okay, you guys can try to do the rest of the soalan by yourself. Do not cheat. Alright, so I'm gonna let you guys screenshot in 3, 2, 1. Soalan suruh calculate each of the following. Okay, calculate the value of B12 and B13. B12, so it's 9. B13 is 5. 9 plus 5 equals to 14. Same goes to the rest of these questions. I'm sure you guys can do this very well by yourself. Remember, if there's a negative, okay, so it's always plus everything. So bila plus minus nak buka column, dia jadi tolak. See, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 minus 3 dapat 0. So you guys take a moment. I'm going to give you guys a moment to screenshot this as well and try to do it by yourself. 3, 2, 1. We're going to learn equal matrix. So what is it? Okay, equal matrix. So how to know whether they're equal or not? You have to make sure they have the same order. See, this one is equal matrix sebab look, their nilai and kedudukan is sama. Not kedudukan, like order sama. Okay, for example, like what am I trying to say? Okay, sini row 1, column 1 is 2. Yang ni pun row 1, column 1 is 2. So it doesn't matter if they represented it in fractions or like a solid number, as long as they have the same value, then you're equal matrix. Nampak tak? Yang ni pun 2 times 1. 2 times 1. Ni 2 times 2. Determine whether the pair of mattress is equal. Tengok, yang ni dia tak equal. Kenapa? Sebab the value of L31, L row 3, 1. Yang ni 1 over 5. 1 over 5 is 0.2. Tapi yang ni same row, same column, it is 0.25. So therefore, they are not equal matrix. Okay, next. So yang ni. See, the matrix order is different. This is 2 times 2. This is 2 times 3. See? Therefore, not an equal matrix. So, how to know when we boleh tambah or tolak a matrix? Okay, how do we know when we can add or subtract a matrix? Okay, so first we need to make sure the order of the matrix is the same. If it's 2 times 2, nak tambah dengan another matrix, you kena make sure that another matrix 2 is 2 times 2 as well. Like this one. So, let's check out J. So, J and... No, sorry. Find the value of X, Y, and Z. Sekarang ni, statement ni, dia kata that they are an equal matrix. J equals to K. Okay, so X is 6. Nampak tak? Row 1, column 1, X. Row 1, column 1, 6. See? So row 2, column 2 is negative 8. Row 2, column 2 is negative Z. Negative Z equals to negative 8. So maksudnya Z equals to 8. So same goes to other questions as well. I'm going to give you guys a moment to take a screenshot. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's move to the next one. So determine whether addition and subtraction of the following matrix or matrix, not sure, can be performed. So, nampak tak ni 1, 2, 3, column 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, dia atas sampai bawah. 1, 2, 3, 1. 3 times 1, 3 times 1. So yes, addition and subtraction can take place because both have the same order. Both matrix C and D have the same order. Alright, so macam ni tak boleh. Kenapa? Yang ni 3 times 2, tapi yang ni 3 times 1. Right, so yang ni kenapa boleh? Sebab je 1, 2, 1, 2. Yang ni pun 1, 2, 1, 2. Ni 2 times 2, yang ni 2 times 2. So, addition and subtraction can take place. Okay, so kena buat full working. Macam mana buat full working? Kalau diorang kata find the value of J plus K. So this is J, this is K. So J plus K. Kena tulis lah J apa? Tambah dengan K. So you're going to tambah each and every single one. Faham tak? Row 1, column 1. So 9 plus dengan negative 5. Kata 9 plus bracket negative 5. So nanti buka bracket 9 minus 5. Dia dapat 4. So ni. Row 1, column 1 is 4. Rest. Sama je. It's the same thing. Kalau tolak, contoh negative 2 tolak nak 5 ni. Negative 2 minus negative 5. Pun bracket negative 2 plus 5. Answer is 3. So same thing here. If you want to represent something in fraction, you can. Make sure everything is in fraction. If you want to represent the answer in macam decimal, nampak tak? Elakkan macam ni. Ada campuran decimal and pecahan. If you want to make pecahan, then you just standardize everything to pecahan. If you want to make it decimal, then standardize everything to decimal. Find the value of X and Y. So supposedly, this is more tricky. So where is our value of X and Y? This is our D matrix. This is our E matrix, and D plus E equals to this. So dia nak katakan, if you want to find the value of Y kan, dia nak katakan Y plus 11, tiba-tiba plus Y lagi, then you dapat 1. So you get 2Y plus 11 equals to 1. Macam ni, like whatever you're seeing right here. And you're just going to do it accordingly. See, the value of Y equals to negative 5. Okay, next, kita nak cari value of X. So 3X minus 2 tambah dengan X minus 3. Dapat jawapan 5. So do the following working here, and you should be able to get your answer. Alright, I'm going to give you guys a moment to screenshot. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I hope you guys faham on a rough surface at the very least up till this point. But trust me guys, it's really like Mattress is quite alright. So if you guys still have problem, or you guys want more exercises, you guys can check out Han Academy, or you guys can also search up CK12 Mattress. Nanti ada banyak exercise korang buat je daripada situ. Okay, so where are we at? 2.4 multiplication of matrix. Okay guys, I joined this tuition, nama dia Ilmu Studio, and I feel like I berpuas hati sangat with how they teach. It's quite straightforward. Apa lagi? Okay, so how do you do multiplication of a matrix? Given Q equals to this, right? Find 2Q. Okay, so 2Q basically 2. Q dia apa dah beri dah? 2, 1, negative 6, 8. Okay, bracket. Okay, 2 times 2 apa? 4. 4. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times -6, -12. 2 times 8, 16 bracket. So dapat jawapan ni. That's just how you do it. So easy, right? So nanti 1 over 2 times Q. You're gonna write Q. Okay, the value of Q here. See, so 2 times 1 over 2 equals to 1. 1 times 1 over 2 equals to 1 over 2. You guys boleh tulis this in decimal 0.5, tapi make sure if ada jawapan lain in decimal, make sure you write it in decimal. You have to, kalau boleh, standardize it. Even though they carry out the same value, kalau boleh just standardize it, alright? So if it's 8 times 1 over 2, so you'll get 4. Okay, macam ni. For example, this is example 6. 3, -2. Plus dengan, make sure you times this, you open bracket it first. Maksudnya not open bracket, you expand it sort of. So 3 times 12 is it's 36. Then 3 times 4 equals to 12. So now baru boleh tambah. Remember, tambah row, column, row, column. Row 1, column 1. Nampak tak? They have the same order. Yang ni 2 times 1, yang ni pun 2 times 1. So addition and subtraction can take place. Row 1, column 1, row 1, column 1. You tambah 3 plus 36, dapat 39. -2 plus 12, you will get 10. Try to clear the negative kat sini kan. You just try and biar je. You're going to settle this part first. So 2 times y, dapat 2y. Okay, sama with everything else. 2 times 1 equals to 2. 2 times -2 is -4. 2 times 5 equals to 10. Okay, so same thing. 4 minus 2y equals to 8. 4 minus 2y equals to 8. Dapat. So from there you can get your answer. Y equals to -2. Okay, x plus 2 minus apa? Minus 10. Dapat apa? 4. Ta-da! Oh, this is my cikgu, guys. Say hi. He's so funny and he laughs all the time. Sometimes benda tu macam tak kelakar sangat, but he finds it so like funny, and you know what? That's so cute. Okay, given that this is for -8. Yang ni you kena times. So 3 times here is equals to 3m. Here times here -12. Find the value of m. Okay, mana m? Ambil je lah kat atas ni. 4 plus 3m equals to -8. Just solve it by yourself. You'll be able to get the answer. Okay, yang ni. Find the value of x and y. Same thing like just now. If you guys want to do it, go ahead. Tapi yang ni I feel like it's unique. Sebab nampak, it turns into a simultaneous equation. Okay, you guys can try do it as well. Take a moment to screenshot. 3, 2, 1, and next. Okay, multiplication of 2 matrices.